Hey, so hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope all is well with everyone. Yeah, so I did a video showing you the outdoorproducts.com backpack or backpack. So I showed you how it had held up and told you about the warranty and whatnot. So I did send it in, and so I did send it in, and this is what I got back. I got the package back, so we did qualify for the warranty, and they did send us, I think, like a $45 or $46 credit, so we can shop from their website. So I'm going to show you what we got. Although it took so long to come, I had to ask, are they walking to bring it or what? They use FedEx Smart Post. It took too long. I mean, it was the 13th of November, if I'm not mistaken, that they said that it was shipped. And then the estimated date that it would arrive was the 27th or something, or the 24th. And I was thinking, like, why in the world would something take that long to get here from California? But I noticed a lot of California mail has been taking forever for some reason. And then the logistics of things, I think that different couriers or delivering services, they need to rethink their logistics, because I noticed that when they send something here, like if you're tracking it, they'll send it to places that are far from you. First of all, it'll say that it's in your town or in your village or your city. Then it goes to outside of your area to a few other places and then gets to you. And it's like, what are these other steps about? You know, and maybe I don't understand the logistics of things, but it just really doesn't make sense. This took forever to come, almost 2 weeks. But it's here, so I'm going to open it up a little bit, and I want to show you what's inside. Okay, so I've opened the box up some, and this is the outdoor products book bag, and look, see there, guaranteed for life, and I believe them, and they really have good book bags though, or backpacks, because the one, like I showed you, the one that it had, we had that, I think he went through a couple of two school seasons with the backpack that he had, and it just had separated from the zipper on in a couple of places, which I assumed that was really just wear and tear, but they honored their warranty nonetheless. So we gotta, even though I didn't pay that much for the book bag, the original book bag, here I am with a $45 $45 plus backpack, and it's really good. It is better. It's not the color that we thought it was going to be, because this looks more blue greenish, and on the website it looks like it's light blue. Even on this camera it looks like it's light blue. But yeah, this is good. This is really hefty. It's 30 liters. Yeah, this is really cool. So I just this is a review, and I'm sure this is going to last. It looks, quality looks very well put together, just as the other one did. So I'm just going to recommend, if you have not tried outdoor products for yourself or for your children, because they have stuff for camping, school, as well as, trekking and mountain climb, just the various activities. So if I were you, I'd check them out. And like I said, they're in Walmart, but plus you can always go to outdoorproducts.com to see the selection. Although the colors are, you know, they don't have like pinks and anything like that, but still, for quality items, I give this a thumbs up. So yeah, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've had any experiences with outdoorproducts.com or any other warranty that you are really happy about. Thanks for watching. This is your girl Saida, signing out for now. Bye bye.